Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from mathematics. We have sigma, sequence and series. We have limits from calculus. So let's get started by considering this whole bracket equal to sk. And I will consider this limit equal to L. So we are looking for limit n tending to infinity sk. Let us assume I will write here, let us assume f of k is our cubic polynomial k cube plus 6k square plus 11k plus 5. Now if I will plug in k equal to -1, I am going to get f of -1, which is -1 whole cube minus 1, 6 times -1 whole square plus 6 minus 11 plus 5. 11 minus 12 minus 1. F of -1 is -1. By putting k equal to -2, we are going to find f of -2, which will be equal to -2 cube minus 8 plus 6 times 4, 24 plus 11 times -2 minus 22 plus 5. So we have 29 minus 30 minus 1. We'll be putting k equal to -3 to find the value of f of -3. We can write -3 whole cube minus 27, 6 times 9, 54, 11 times -3 minus 33 plus 5. We have 59 minus 60. Result is still same, -1. We will conclude one strong statement from here. It is k plus 1, k plus 2 times k plus 3 are the factors of fk. Factors of fk with remainder -1. With remainder -1. Now we'll be writing fk. Let's write here f of k will be equal to k plus 1 times k plus 2 times k plus 3 minus 1. If I will put k equal to -1, f of -1 will be -1 because this product will be equal to 0. By putting k equal to -2, product will be 0, will get -1. By putting k equal to -3, f of -3 will be -1. Now we have to find sk. So let me write here sk will be equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n k plus 1 times k plus 2 times k plus 3 minus 1. In denominator, we have k plus 3 factorial. Now we will split numerator with respect to denominator. So we can write equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n. Then we will write k plus 1 times k plus 2 times k plus 3 over k plus 3 factorial minus 1 over k plus 3 factorial. Now we will use recursive formula from factorials. We know that k plus 3 factorial can be written as k plus 3 times k plus 2 times k plus 1 times k factorial. So I will write sk equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n. We'll be writing numerator k plus 1 times k plus 2 times k plus 3 and denominator we will use this formula and we will get k plus 3 times k plus 2 times k plus 1 times k factorial minus 1 over k plus 3 factorial. Now we will cancel k plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 3. So in numerator there will be 1. So we have Sk sigma k equal to 1 to n 1 over k factorial minus 1 over k plus 3 factorial. Now we will expand sigma. Let's put k equal to 1. So we will get 1 over 1 factorial minus 1 over 1 plus 3 factorial. It is 4 factorial by putting k equal to 1. Now we will put k equal to 2. So we will be writing 1 over 2 factorial minus 1 over 5 factorial. By putting k equal to 3, we will write 1 over 3 factorial minus 1 over 6 factorial. By putting k equal to 4, we will write 1 over 4 factorial minus 1 over 7 factorial. Now if I will write another value k equal to 5, 1 over 5 factorial minus 1 over 8 factorial. Let's put k equal to n. We will get 1 over n factorial minus 1 over n plus 3 factorial. If I will put k equal to n minus 1, so 1 over n minus 1 factorial minus 1 over n plus 2 factorial and so on. Now we have to add. So we are going to cancel few terms. Minus 1 over 4 factorial will cancel plus 1 over 4 factorial. Minus 1 over 5 factorial will cancel 1 over 5 factorial. Minus 1 over 6 factorial will cancel plus 1 over 6 factorial and so on. We will cancel all the terms over here except 6 numbers. I would say 3 from here and 3 from bottom. So we are going to write Sk 1 over 1 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over 3 factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial minus 1 over n plus 2 factorial minus 1 over n plus 3 factorial. Let me write here. Sk will be equal to 1 over 1 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over 3 factorial, and if I will take minus common, then I can write 1 over n plus 1 factorial in the denominator plus 1 over n plus 2 factorial in the denominator plus 1 over n plus 3 factorial in the denominator. Now we have to apply limit. So L is equal to limit n tending to infinity S of k. Here we have Sk. So I can write L will be equal to limit n tending to infinity in bracket 1 over 1 factorial, which is 1, 1 over 2 factorial, it is 2 in the denominator, 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, so 6, minus in bracket 1 over n plus 1 factorial plus 1 over n plus 2 factorial plus 1 over n plus 3 factorial, bracket close. N tending to infinity 1 over n plus 1 factorial plus 1 over n plus 2 factorial plus 1 over n plus 3 factorial will tend to 0. So in this place we can write 0. So L will be equal to 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. Now we will make our denominator common denominator. So I need to multiply here with 6, here with 3. Now denominator is 6. So we'll write here 6 over 6 plus 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 will be equal to 6 plus 3 plus 1 over 6. It is equal to 10 over 6. Divide numerator and denominator by 2. We are going to get our answer. Limit will be equal to 5 over 3, which is our option 4, option D. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.